the Thai secret cooking school farm, but right now we're just riding in the tuk-tuk to get there. We just got to the local market and they explained to us a lot of the local ingredients like kefir limes and coconut sugar and like long green beans, and we picked out what we're going to make today, and now we're just walking around while May is buying some stuff, and so soon we're going to go back to the farm and we're going to cook and eat. Pandan? No. Use a lot. It's nice, just sweet, light smell. See? Separate, otherwise the one that have left I won't go that deep. Fresh from the garden.
We want to make the milk very rich and creamy. Prepare for sticky rice later. Yeah? Alright. Use your hand.
Oh.
First, we make you exercise and then you get hungry. Don't mind cow with me, like I know. 3 of us. Huh?
Oh.
Whoa!
You want him to squeeze and the milk runny and then smile or what? Huh? Right. Half of the garlic we're going to use for pad thai. Yeah, Danny, look. And half a shallot we do for pad thai. But half we have left here. We're gonna save for our curry paste. Yeah, oh. For your pad thai, you cut them into cubes like that. And then you put it back here.
In squares.
What is like this? Like
this?
Yeah. Yeah.
ข้าวมันแข็งก็ไม่แฉะหรอกเนี่ยควัดเอาข้าวนี่ไปเอาขยายให้มันเย็นก็เนี่ยอันไหนนี่ฟักกันไหนเอาน้ำไปที่ก็เหลือเยอะเอาใส่ช่องฟรีซไปก็ได้ใส่ตู้เย็นไว้ก็ได้บุยองสู้นะเดี๋ยวใส่บุยองนี่คือเกินสายเดี๋ยวสิ get you two hands you can work better yeah oh that look beautiful isn't it
Yeah.
You see the last group we don't cook too long because we're gonna keep beans brown
I'm trying my pad thai that I made.
So she's highly caffeinated.
Good.
Probably staying away on the.
for fun 8 spoon
8 spoon, okay.
เอาน้องขอไปเติมสักเส้นดูเส้นใส่ในนั้นมาเส้นของเส้น coconut cream sugar and salt right and then you put them together with the rice that's it. It's pretty easy you know but the make it good on us is the fresh coconut but I'm trying to organize the dish for you because
so eat together.
Yes, and then you can have everything served, you know, crispy, warm. Those to burn, to cook anything, just to use the heat to open the flavor, you know. Okay, bring everything over here, please. Give me a cake, and I'm working on it.
พ่อค่ะก็
And dry flour, we're gonna put on the gas stove to make it thick. A bit more.
More blue?
Yeah, gentle
all
when
of
you
it?
do it. Yeah. You can
Okay.
keep adding.
Oh, keep adding too much.
Okay. Gentle when you stir, because the rice already squishy. You don't want to make it more squishy, right? Into the corner. Yeah, like that. And then you take it up and rolling it back. You make sure it's tight and firm and round up like that, triangle. Let's see. Quite runny. We add a bit more flour. Your fingers, so we play safe, yeah? Coat with a banana with a lot of butter that you have and use the spoon. You know, like that. Gentle, see? Place them in. Okay. Some people when I use finger, you can. Like if you cook in you work in the kitchen, you know how to drop them, then it's good, you know. But if you not really cook a lot and safety first, you know.
Yeah.
And so the hot oil spreads all over your hand, you know. We can still do with the spoon. Good.
Just finished cooking our last dishes. So Danny made a Penang curry, which is a red curry, and he also made fried bananas. They look so yummy and crispy. And I made a green curry with chicken and mango sticky rice. So the blue is from indigo flowers. And yeah, we're gonna be able to eat all our hard work.